Welcome to Kotze Coding. Last video was on how to download, install Visual Studio Code, and we also made some important settings and downloaded important extensions. So in today's video, we'll explore the basics of Visual Studio Code, such as opening, adding, and deleting files and folders, and more. I hope this video will be helpful and understandable in introducing you to the basics of using Visual Studio Code. Enjoy the video. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey into the world of programming and web design. I'm thrilled to have shared this new experiences and knowledge with you, and I hope you found my tutorials both informative and engaging. As we conclude this chapter, I want to encourage you to continue learning and growing with me. Let's keep pushing the boundaries of programming and technology together. Don't forget to share your thoughts, questions, and feedbacks in the comment section below, share to help others discover our community, and subscribe to stay updated on my latest tutorials and be the first to know about new content. See you next video.